Welcome to Bombay Engineering Works, a leader in the field of advanced pharmaceutical machinery. Today, we proudly introduce our 150-liter rapid mixer granulator, a machine engineered to deliver precision, efficiency, and unmatched quality in the granulation process. This model is ideal for manufacturers seeking consistency and performance with each batch. The 150-liter rapid mixer granulator is crafted for versatility and efficiency. This model boasts a jacketed main ball for thermal control, variable speed drives to fine-tune mixing, and an advanced PLC control panel with a color touchscreen HMI. To further streamline the process, we've integrated a commel at discharge for uniform particle size and a solution vessel with a peristaltic pump for accurate binder addition. This comprehensive solution is designed to simplify and optimize the granulation process, achieving uniform, high-quality granules every time. Let's begin by exploring the jacketed main ball. This feature is essential for temperature-sensitive processes, as it provides precise heating or cooling to protect your mixer's integrity. The jacketed design allows you to control the ball's temperature to create optimal conditions, whether you're mixing delicate ingredients or working with formulations that require specific temperatures. This ball minimizes the risk of overheating or undercooling, reducing batch variability and maintaining consistent quality standards. With the jacketed main ball, you're not only gaining better control over the granulation process but also expanding the range of materials and formulations you can handle. Now, let's dive into the variable speed drives, an essential feature that offers flexibility and precise control over both the impeller and chopper speeds. This customization allows you to achieve the exact mix required for each formulation. Whether it's high-intensity mixing for larger granules or gentle blending for finer particles, you can control and adjust the speeds to meet your production goals with precision. This feature supports faster and more uniform mixing, reducing processing time while increasing consistency. Each batch can be uniquely tailored, offering you the versatility needed to meet diverse manufacturing requirements. A key highlight of this model is its advanced PLC control panel with a color touchscreen HMI. This interface is designed to be intuitive, providing operators with real-time monitoring and control over every stage of the granulation process. With the touchscreen HMI, you can adjust parameters, view performance data, and track progress effortlessly. The PLC's automation capabilities streamline the entire operation, significantly reducing the risk of error while enhancing batch consistency. The display is not only user-friendly but also customizable, allowing you to save process parameters for future runs, increasing efficiency and ensuring that each batch meets your standards. This RMG includes a commel at discharge, a crucial addition that ensures uniform particle size and improves the homogeneity of the final product. As the product discharges from the granulator, it flows directly into the commel, where it's finely milled to your specifications. This process minimizes the formation of lumps, enhancing the quality and uniformity of the granules. By integrating the commel, we streamline post-granulation steps, saving both time and labor while ensuring consistent, high-quality results. An additional feature is the solution vessel with a peristaltic pump for binder addition. This vessel is precisely calibrated to deliver accurate binder amounts directly into the mixing ball. The peristaltic pump ensures a steady, controlled flow rate, enhancing binder dispersion and reducing waste. By automating binder addition, you improve process consistency, reducing the need for manual interventions and minimizing the risk of variations. This feature ensures that each batch maintains uniform texture and composition, resulting in higher product quality. The 150-liter rapid mixer granulator is built with a state-of-the-art mechanism for peak performance and designed to be highly user-friendly. Each component, from the drives to the control panel, is crafted for ease of use, ensuring that operators can navigate and control the machine efficiently. Safety features, easy cleaning, and streamlined maintenance make this RMG ideal for any production environment focused on quality and reliability. With the Bombay Engineering Works 150-liter rapid mixer granulator, you're investing in quality, precision, and productivity. Bombay Engineering Works, where excellence in design meets innovation. We manufacture rapid mixer granulator from 5 LTRS to 50 for R&D pilot models, and from 100 LTRS to 1200 LTRS production models as per client's requirements with various options. We also offer 21 CFR compliant models with SCADA among other state-of-the-art features. Contact us for more details which are given on the screen.